Do you feel tired, fatigued, or low in energy throughout the day? Do you feel less motivated to work towards your goals? Do you suffer from any health condition and in the process of healing? Do you find it hard to wake up in the morning? These are the symptoms of low flow of life energy, the prana or the chi in our body. One can get a quick boost in mind and body just by practicing this Hasta Mudra for 10 to 15 minutes at a stretch in the morning. Do this when you commute or when you are in your meetings or when you rest to recharge your batteries. This is Ranjani from Aathmik Yoga. We are on our day 14 of the 21-day free online yoga workshop Transform 2023. If you are new to our channel, please do check out our previous videos for this workshop by clicking the link here or in the description box below. Let's get started on our day 14 Prana Mudra. Let's see how to perform this mudra. Sit comfortably in any posture, preferably meditative postures like Padmasana, Vajrasana, or even in your chair. Keep your spine straight and close your eyes if needed. Relax your body and mind by taking a couple of deep breaths. Focus on your breathing. Relaxing our mind and body is crucial to be performed before starting any mudra practice. Once you feel you are relaxed, bring the tips of your little finger, ring finger and thumb finger together. The other two fingers should be straightened out. This is Prana Mudra. Keep your hands on your knees or in the armrest of your chair. Sit comfortably, focus on your breathing and stay relaxed while your body and mind are getting recharged. One can stay in this posture from 10 minutes to 30 minutes at a stretch. Can perform once or twice in a day whenever you feel the need to recharge your body and mind. Make sure you practice this mudra in empty stomach to get the maximum benefits. Let's look into the other benefits associated with Prana Mudra. Prana Mudra helps the body to heal faster. So people with chronic health conditions can practice this Prana Mudra every day along with their other treatments so that the healing becomes faster. This Prana Mudra regulates our nervous system and thus calms us and improves our confidence. So if you are going for an interview or for a meeting, you can practice this Prana Mudra before you pitch it. Cramps, joint pains and menstrual pains can also be managed by practicing this Prana Mudra consistently. Prana Mudra helps in improving our immunity and digestion. So people who face chronic digestive or immunity issues can practice this Prana Mudra every day. Prana Mudra reduces mental tension, impatience and reduces allergic conditions. Kids and adults who have eyesight issues can practice this Prana Mudra along with the 8 eye yoga exercises to reduce the ailments or soreness in their eyes. Eyes are the windows to our soul. When they are filled with prana, they shimmer. You can check out the 8 eye yoga exercises from the link here or from the description box below. Do subscribe to Aathmik Yoga channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we post the next video on this Transform 2023 series. Do follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the links in the description box below. You can also join with us in our WhatsApp community where you can clear your health, fitness and diet related queries with the professionals directly. Do share this with your friends and family who might need a quick recharge in their body and mind. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Nandri, Vanakkam.